To open a Tradingview screener, start by logging into your Tradingview account and navigating to the home page. Locate the top navigation bar and click on the Screener tab. This will take you to the screener page where you can choose from a variety of pre-built screeners or create your own custom screener. Select the market and type of assets you want to screen, such as stocks, futures, or Forex. Tradingview offers screeners for different regions, including the US, Europe, and Asia. Choose the one that best fits your trading needs. Once you have selected the market and asset type, you can filter the results using various criteria, including price, volume, and technical indicators. You can also add your own custom filters using the Pine programming language. To open a specific screener, click on the Screener tab and select the screener you want to use from the list of available screeners. You can also search for screeners created by other users and published on the Tradingview platform. To create your own custom screener, click on the Create Screener button and follow the prompts to set up your filters and criteria. You can save your custom screener for future use and even share it with other Tradingview users. Best practices for using Tradingview screeners include regularly reviewing and updating your filters and criteria to ensure they remain relevant to your trading strategy. You should also test and refine your screeners using historical data to ensure they are effective in identifying profitable trades. By following these steps and using Tradingview screeners effectively, you can streamline your trading process and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always stay up to date with market conditions and adjust your screeners accordingly to maximize your trading results.